If A and B are two events, show that the probability of A given that B has already occurred is given by probability of A given B, this is the symbol for that, is equal to the probability of A and B, i.e. A intersection B, divided by the probability of B. Now, the formal definition of a probability of an event, E, is given by the probability of E, the number in that event E, divided by the number in the universal set. And therefore sets are useful in order to calculate probabilities. So the probability of A given that B has already occurred is given by, if we have a Venn diagram of two intersecting sets, so this is event A, this represents event B, so this is the number in A, the number in B. If B has already occurred, which is what this means, then the only way for A to occur is the intersection. And don't forget, A intersection B means A and B. So we get the idea that it's a number in A intersection B divided by the number in B. Now, if we divide top and bottom by the number in the universal set, so we get the number in A intersection B and the number in B, divide by the number in the universal set, we haven't changed the meaning because these will cancel out, then this is the formal definition of probability. So this will be the probability of A given B is the probability of A and B divided by the probability of B. In particular, if we write down that again, A given that B has already happened is the probability of A and B divided by the probability of B, then if you want to find the probability of A and B, if you think at the end of a tree diagram, you multiply the probability. So this is the probability of B times the probability that A given that B has already happened. It's a bit like one of those questions like where you have a pack of cards, you look at one, that would be event B, you don't put it back and you draw another one, then event A given that B has happened will be dependent on that event B. So we've got probability of A and B, and then if the events are independent, i.e. you put the card back, then the probability of A and B is the probability of B times the probability of A. This is why we multiply across the arms of a tree diagram. Okay, so this has been a video just to give you a little bit of introduction to the idea of conditional probability. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.